Alberta's growing potato industry is hopeful about a new trading partner. The Canadian Food Inspection Agency has reached an agreement with Mexico.
A 10-pound bag of potatoes costs around $4.60 at most Canadian grocery stores right now. That's roughly 46 cents a pound, and depending on the size, that means a single potato can cost as little as 15 to 20 cents. From that one potato, you can build an entire dinner. Across Canada, food prices have climbed faster than pensions, and for seniors living alone. The math of grocery shopping has gotten harder every single year. Cooking for one often feels pointless, too much effort for one plate, too much waste when a recipe makes 4 servings you'll never finish. So the easiest thing becomes skipping a real dinner entirely, and that's a problem, because skipping meals is one of the fastest ways an older adult's health can start to slide. Here's the good news. The potato might be the single most underrated ingredient in any Canadian kitchen. It's filling, it's packed with potassium and vitamin C2 nutrients seniors are most likely to be missing, and it is, without question, one of the cheapest foods you can buy. Today, we're walking through 10 real potato dinners with real Canadian prices, built specifically for cooking alone, with simple steps and no waste. Stick around, because the final recipe on this list turns a single potato into what tastes like an entire Sunday dinner for less than the price of a coffee. A medium potato gives you about 30% of your daily recommended vitamin C, close to 20% of your daily potassium, and a meaningful amount of fibre, all from a vegetable that costs less than a quarter. Potassium in particular matters more as we age. It supports heart function, helps regulate blood pressure, and is one of the nutrients seniors most commonly fall short on. And here's the part most people don't know: most of that potassium and fiber sits right in the skin. So every recipe below is built to use the whole potato, skin and all. All 10 of these recipes are sized for 1 or 2 servings, made with a handful of ingredients you'll find at any Canadian grocery store, no frills, or Walmart. Let's get into it. 10. Classic baked potato with cheese and green onion. We're starting with the simplest dinner on this entire list, and one that's easy to forget is a complete meal on its own. Take 1 large potato, scrub it clean, and poke a few holes in it with a fork. Bake at 400 F 200C for about 45 minutes to an hour, or microwave it for 8 to 10 minutes if you're short on time or don't want to heat up the whole kitchen. Once it's soft all the way through, slice it open, fluff the inside with a fork, and top it with a sprinkle of shredded cheese, a small spoonful of sour cream if you have it, and chopped green onion. A bag of shredded cheddar lasts for weeks in the fridge, and a bunch of green onions costs about $1 and flavors a dozen meals. The potato itself, baked with its skin on, holds on to nearly all its potassium and fiber. This is the dinner to make on a night when you're tired and don't feel like standing at the stove 15 minutes of prep, and the oven does the rest. 9. Potato A&D egg scramble. This is the dinner that turns 2 of the cheapest ingredients in any Canadian kitchen into something that actually feels like a proper meal. Dice 1 medium potato into small cubes, no need to peel it. Fry the cubes in a pan with a little oil over medium heat for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until they're golden and soft all the way through. Push them to one side of the pan, crack in 2 eggs, and scramble them right alongside the potatoes. Season with salt and pepper, mix everything together, and you're done. The trick to good potato cubes is patience. Don't rush them, and don't crowd the pan, or they'll steam instead of getting that golden crust. This dinner gives you a real source of protein from the eggs alongside the potato's potassium and fiber, and the whole thing comes together in one pan with almost nothing to clean up afterward. 8. Potato A&D canned tuna patties. Mashed potato turns out to be one of the best binders for a simple fish patty, and this recipe stretches 1 small can of tuna into a genuinely satisfying dinner. Mash 1 boiled potato, removed for this one, since you want a smooth texture, and mix it with 1 small can of tuna, drained, plus a beaten egg to help everything hold together, a pinch of salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice if you have it. Form the mixture into 2 or 3 small patties and fry them in a bit of oil over medium heat for about 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden and crisp on the outside. Canned tuna is one of the most affordable sources of protein in any Canadian grocery store, typically running $1.50 to $2. $0.00 for a small can, and because the potato bulks up the mixture, that one can stretch into a full dinner instead of a thin sandwich filling. Serve with a simple side salad or some peas and you've got a meal that costs well under $2. 7. Leek A&D potato soup. This is one of the oldest, simplest comfort soups in European home cooking, and it remains one of the most affordable dinners you can make from scratch in a Canadian kitchen. Slice one leek using both the white and light green parts and saute it in a small pot with a bit of butter until soft, about 5 minutes. Add 2 diced potatoes and enough chicken or vegetable broth to cover everything, then simmer for 20 minutes until the potatoes are completely soft. For a creamier texture, mash some of the potato right in the pot with a fork, or blend it briefly if you have an immersion blender. Season with salt and pepper. A single leek costs around $1.50 to $2 at most Canadian grocery stores, but it flavors an entire pot of soup that can easily provide 2 dinners. This soup also reheats beautifully the next day, which makes it especially practical for someone cooking alone. 1 pot, 2 nights of dinner, almost no effort the second time around. 6. Scallop potatoes. Scallop potatoes have a reputation for being a big batch holiday side dish, but scaled down, they make a genuinely comforting solo dinner, and they're easier to make in a small portion than most people realize. Thinly slice 2 medium potatoes and layer them in a small oven-safe dish. In a small pot, warm half a cup of milk with a tablespoon of butter and a tablespoon of flour, whisking until it thickens slightly into a simple white sauce. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg if you have it. Pour the sauce over the layered potatoes. Sprinkle a little shredded cheese on top if you'd like. Cover with foil and bake at 375 F 90 C for about 45 minutes, removing the foil for the last 10 minutes to let the top turn golden. This recipe takes a bit more patience than most on this list, but the payoff is a dish that tastes rich and indulgent despite costing barely $1 a serving. It's also an excellent make-ahead option. Bake it once, and you've got dinner ready to reheat for the next night too. 5. Potato A&D bean skillet. This dinner combines 2 of the most budget-friendly staples in any Canadian pantry into a dish with real staying power, plenty of fiber, plenty of protein, and almost no cost. Dice 1 potato and fry it in a pan with a little oil until golden, about 10 minutes. Then add half a can of drained kidney beans or black beans along with a small splash of water or broth. Stir in a pinch of cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper, and let everything simmer together for another 5 minutes until the beans are heated through and the flavors have combined. A spoonful of salsa or a squeeze of lime on top finishes it off nicely if you have either on hand. Beans and potatoes together create one of the most filling, fiber-rich combinations available at this price point, and because both ingredients are shelf-stable or long-lasting, this is a dinner you can always have the ingredients for, even on weeks when a grocery trip doesn't happen. 4. Loaded mashed potato bowl. Sometimes the best dinner is the one that takes almost no decision making, and this one turns simple mashed potatoes into something that feels like a proper, satisfying meal. Peel and boil 1 large potato or 2 small ones until fork tender, about 15 to 20 minutes. Then mash with a small splash of milk and a pat of butter until smooth. Top with whatever you have on hand: crumbled cooked bacon, shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, chopped green onion, or even just a fried egg on top for added protein. This recipe is less about following exact steps and more about using mashed potatoes as a base the same way a baked potato works, but with a softer, creamier texture that's easier to eat for anyone with dental concerns or chewing difficulty. It's also one of the gentlest meals on this list, making it a good option on days when appetite is low, but a real, nourishing dinner still matters. 3. Potato latkes. This dish has appeared in Canadian kitchens for generations, particularly in households with Eastern European heritage, and it remains one of the most satisfying things you can make from a single potato. Grate 1 large potato and 1 small onion. Squeeze out as much excess liquid as you can using a clean kitchen towel. Then mix with a beaten egg and a tablespoon of flour. Season with salt and pepper. Fry spoonfuls of the mixture in a hot, well-oiled pan for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, pressing them flat until they're crispy and deep golden on the outside. Serve them plain with a dollop of sour cream or with a bit of applesauce if you have it. Both are traditional pairings. The crispy edges and soft potato center make this one of the more texturally satisfying dinners on this list, and the whole recipe, start to finish, uses ingredients that together cost less than $1. 2. Potato A&E vegetable curry. This dinner takes the humble potato somewhere a little more flavorful, and it's a great option for anyone who wants something warming with a bit more spice on a cold evening. Dice 1 potato and 1 carrot, and saute both in a pan with a little oil for 5 minutes. Add a teaspoon of curry powder, stir to coat the vegetables. Then pour in half a can of diced tomatoes and a small splash of water. Cover and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the potato is fork tender. If you have a handful of frozen peas, stir them in for the last 2 minutes of cooking. Serve over rice if you have it, or with a slice of bread to soak up the sauce. Curry powder is one of the most cost-effective ways to transform plain vegetables into something with real depth of flavor. A single jar lasts for dozens of meals, and it costs roughly the same as 1 cup of coffee at a cafe. This dinner proves that cheap doesn't have to mean plain. 1. Sheet pan potato Sunday dinner. And here's the one that closes out this list because it takes everything good about a big, comforting Sunday roast dinner and shrinks it down to a single sheet pan, sized for 1. Cut 1 large potato into wedges or chunks, along with half an onion and a handful of baby carrots if you have them. Toss everything with a little oil, salt, pepper, and a pinch of dried rosemary or thyme if you have either. Spread it all out on a small baking sheet or in a baking dish, and roast at 400F 200C for about 35 to 40 minutes, tossing halfway through until everything is golden and slightly crisp at the edges. If you have a chicken thigh or a sausage on hand, nestle it onto the same pan partway through cooking so everything finishes together. What makes this dinner special isn't any single ingredient, it's the smell. Roasted potatoes, caramelized onion, and herbs filling the kitchen the same way a big Sunday roast used to, except this version is sized exactly for 1 person, uses 1 pan, and leaves almost nothing to wash up afterward. It's proof that a meal doesn't need to be elaborate or expensive to feel like an occasion. For under $1.50, you get a full plate, real vegetables, real flavor, and the particular comfort of a roast dinner smell filling your kitchen on a Tuesday night just because you decided it deserved one. 10 dinners. 1 humble vegetable. And in every single case, a meal that costs less than what most people spend on a snack. The potato has been quietly feeding people through hard times for centuries, and it's just as capable of doing that today, stretching a tight grocery budget into real, nourishing dinners, night after night, without ever feeling repetitive, if you let it take on a few different shapes throughout the week. Cooking for 1 doesn't have to mean cooking less. Save this list, keep a bag of potatoes in the pantry, and the next time dinner feels like too much effort for too little reward, remember that the most reliable meal in the house has probably been sitting in a bag on your counter the whole time.